Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about how to create a lookup function in Excel. So lookup function is really very important topic in Excel, guys. Right. So once you use the lookup function, easily you are able to look up your values, right, in Excel. So very simple example we have to follow here. Like as you can see here, right, my report is ready for lookup function. Lookup means basically what I want to see, right? जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपको देखना है कि प्रोडक्ट आईडी वन पे कौन कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन है, उनके सेल्स पर्सन कौन है, प्रोडक्ट कौन है, क्वांटिटी कौन है, सेल्स अमाउंट कौन है. So in that case we are able to use the lookup function. So very simple example we have to follow it. So here we're going to discuss today's session VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical column wise, HLOOKUP means horizontal row wise, right? After then later you can see XLOOKUP and all, but first of all here we are going to understand totally scratch level. Okay, from beginning level to scratch level you have to understand what is the lookup function basically. Clear? So here you can see I've already prepared my data. Even in company, most probably we are using the VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP basically for showing the vertical edge lookup. People using, but not most probably, but VLOOKUP we are using most probably. So here you can see I will simple copy the header. I just copy this, Control C, and I paste it here. There are some certain rules of the lookup function. Lookup value always going to be common. Lookup value is always common here. Based on the lookup value, we are able to see the data. We are able to look up the rest of the values, right? Here, once you select the data or table array, you have to always select left to right. Okay. So here I give a lookup value like P001 and simple here. I just border it. Alternate HBA. आप लोगों को short key में पहले ही बता चुका हूँ. Right equals to here. I will write VLOOKUP tab it. सी यहाँ पे पहले पैरामीटर समझना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है गाइस आपके लिए. कंट्रोल ए आप प्रेस कर देंगे कीबोर्ड में. यू कैन सी दिस इज कॉल्ड फंक्शन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. लुकअप वैल्यू, टेबल एरे, कॉलम इंडेक्स एंड रेंज लुकअप. तो रेंज लुकअप का यूज हम कब करते हैं? एग्जैक्ट मैच के लिए करते हैं. सो लुकअप वैल्यू आई सेलेक्टेड P001 टैब टेबल एरे. आई विल सेलेक्ट लेफ्ट टू राइट comma tab again column index what 1 2 salesperson is 2. Exact match 0. As you can see here, range lookup is a logic value to find the like a closest match in the first column and sorted in ascending order, true or omitted, find and exact match false. So that's why we are using exact match for the 0 false. See Amit, if I want I can drag it as well, but I don't want to drag. मैंने अभी आपको बताया guys कि you have to learn from a scratch level, so you have to write the formula so that you can understand the parameters. Do you get my point? That is why it's important. Again, equals to VLOOKUP, Control A. So once you write the parameter, you're going to understand the parameter and table array formatting, how you're going to step into. Column index, what is going to be 3 for this. Again, tab, exact match 0. You can see laptop, same as for VLOOKUP, Control A. So you're going to learn the sort key as well. How you are implementing. Again, table array, आप यहाँ select कर लेंगे, left to right. Again tab column index what going 2 3 4 going to be यहाँ 4 हो जाएगा. Again 0 enter. Again sales amount equals to VLOOKUP and control A. Again lookup value common table array we have to select left to right and tab column index number how many going to 5 1 and 0 enter. As you can see now I want HLOOKUP. So as a simple I want to this data convert to the horizontal for the HLOOKUP. So you don't need to make a data simple. You have to follow the steps, guys. Right click, copy this, select and copy. Again, right click where you want. You can transpose here. Right click and paste option. You can see transpose here. Click on it. You can see all data converted to the horizontal. So you don't need to do any hard work. See, within simple step, you can follow it. I mean, here you can see column become row, row become columns. So once you transform a data row to column to row, you have to use the transpose. Even you can use the formula as well. Now here I going for the edge lookup. So how you go for this? Again, you copy this. Control C copy. I copy the row and I will paste here. Control V and alternate HBA. So lookup value again P001 equals to V lookup H lookup should be tab control A lookup value, select this tab table array left to right, row index number 2, again tab exact match 0, same as for going to the next, again equals to H lookup tab control A. See, in that case, once you practice this, you're going to be easily understand each of the parameters. That one we're not going to be take much time, right? Again, to index is going to be 3. Again, tab next exact match 0. Again, you're going for again equals to H lookup. Very simple. Control A. Lookup value. Again, table array we have to select and row number 4 exact match 0. Again, here I will write equals to H lookup. Control A. Lookup value table array. So that's why you have to understand step by step slowly, right? And row number 5, tab exact match 0, enter. Okay. So as you can see, you are able to see here. But here question going like a student going to ask a question. If I don't want to, if I have a data, I don't want to write this column number 1, 2, 3, row number 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. So for that, we have another provision in Excel. We're going to use a column function because if I have long data, how long I will write column number, row number 1, 2, 3, 4, it will take a lot of time and efforts, right? So for that, we are going to use the for VLOOKUP, we are going to use the column function. For HLOOKUP, we are going to use the row function. Like I told in previous guys, here I'm just teaching you everything with the starting level, scratch level. First, who are the totally fresher in Excel? Beginners, so they're going to understand proper each of the parameters. That is why I'm just showing with the scratch level, right? So I hope you understand in this video. Thank you so much, then see you next one.